drink after that. Hey, Merry Christmas, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to join in.
You guys have to get pictures. That is.
What is that, Ethan?
Play-Doh.
Oh, Play-Doh.
Play-Doh wheels. Bricks and stones.
Can I open this one? Okay, hold on, Ethan. There's one for Ethan.
Yes.
Can I open this one, Gigi? No!
But you can
What do you have?
Whoa!
Yeah, and then up on top it's silver.
Ethan, right here, go ahead, go show.
Yeah, what's out there?
All right.
Whoa, what is it? Legos?
Turn around this way. This way.
Oh, you build a Lego.
It's a taco truck.
Build it, Ethan. You get the
Taco.
Oh,
nice. There's a burger truck.
Oh, it's a burger. I saw it. Haley.
In the shape of a burger.
Haley, did the Haley?
Is it a necklace and earring?
Yeah.
Matching.
Slow down.
Haley, here, can I see? You want to bring it here? Bring it here. Second seat. No, open it. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, those are shiny, Haley.
Well,
Those are shiny.
There have holes in them.
I know, and everyone goes,
Yeah,
I like your pants. And my mom looks at me and I'm like,
oh no, you shouldn't be leaving the house in those.
Can I open mine? I'm opening mine.
Oh, yeah.
I saw that and I'm like, darn it. What is it?
I don't know it.
What is it? Oh, yeah. Read what it is. Oh my gosh! Come on, Ray! Oh!
Wait,
Ethan.
Ethan, let's see.
Show it to everyone.
So it glows. It glows when you
What
trace
is
it,
this?
Ethan, and then I think you can reset this.
You
Wow.
put paper over it
Oh,
and trace it.
yeah.
Person!
Ethan, this is exciting. You can trace cars and rocket ships, and you can light them up. Look, a car.
Oh, we'll give that to Grandpa. All right, but then we gotta let Uncle
Yeah.
Eric eat it.
Yeah.
Also, none of these magically reference.
Good game with the
Oh,
magic
it's a
8-ball.
board game.
Look at that. You shake that up and then you get an answer to a question.
Ethan,
Gigi, you need to stop this.
magical 8-ball.
No, this is Dad Nelson.
Dad, Nelson. Ethan.
Okay, you're catching that.
Ethan, this
At
is
least if we
Here,
don't
honey.
get you could wrap it.
Here, honey. Honey.
Ethan.
I put it in
Look
one.
it.
You get to make your
Wow,
own
Haley,
What
look
is
how
it? Make
fancy
your
those
own
pants are.
bench.
That's alright.
You can make tools and screws and we can build stuff, Ethan. Look, you have a screwdriver and a saw.
We can do a bench.
You can make a bench.
Ooh,
Oh.
new leggings.
Bench.
Oh.
We can make a
Are they-
bench. You can make
Nice. Oh my gosh, that's so cozy. Wait, that's so cozy.
That's all Haley's fun about her crackers.
I know.
You're not eating them now, are you? What's so special about those crackers?
Are my favorite.
Are they? Let me.
Am I just hearing?
Can I try one?
What?
Let me try one.
No.
Just one.
No.
Just one.
No.
Just one.
No. You like crackers.
You get out of the way.
Oh, golf clubs. Heck yeah, thank you.
Oh, gloves, yes.
Yeah, ooh, a black and a white one. Ooh, with a sweet tea.
Hold on, Ethan. Your turn.
And
Hold on,
tea.
Ethan.
These are awesome. Thank you very much.
Cool.
Those were on your list, I think, Kev.
Eric, Eric, open yours.
No, good. Gigi's opening up her gift.
Oh, shit.
What did Gigi get? Hold on, Ethan. Hold on, Ethan. Hold on. Oh, you gotta open it.
That's for the Christmas tree.
It's for the Christmas tree.
It's for outside, Gigi.
Too
Keep
big.
That's up carrier bag.
Yeah, at least for recycling. That garbage can is for paper.
For the left. What is it here?
Gigi and Grandpa.
That's the computer that you have? Or something?
To you. You can put some money or lip gloss in
Well, might be a little bit.
it. You're throwing up. You'd rather it be bigger than me.
I think it's a
It'll be
sled.
heavier once the light comes.
And the cord.
Something to keep it
And
in.
it's gonna.
Something to keep it in. Yes.
Oh, is this for me? I don't know. Ethan, I know. No, Ethan, my turn. Just kidding. Oh my god.
Wait, you don't even know what it is.
Sweet. Ethan, look at it. What is it? Tell us.
Look at it.
It's Hot Wheels.
Oh, no, open it.
It's like a Hot Wheels city.